Previously on Automotive Tales.
The mirrors do work, which is great. The driver's side window does not. Looking in the back, more cobwebs, yes, granted. So a bit of background on the car. Apparently it was owned by a lady on a farm to take her dogs out in later days. And then it looks like it did pretty high mileage, actually. It was doing 10,000 miles every 6 months. I've actually got a service record for this car. You know what, overall, I'm pretty happy with this. Oh, the sunroof doesn't work either. I don't think. It makes noises. It's got power, that's for sure. You join us in a top secret location. Don't look at that roadside there. Hello, it is one of the warmest days of the year, and you find us with the RAV. But you also find me with specialist assistants. Hey Adman, hey Lewis. These are the professionals that are going to make sure that this car looks perfect for the Festival of the Unexceptional. Now, I've seen John's car. I know we don't have to do too much, but we also know that Lewis has been working in the detailing trade for 35 years, so we know that this is definitely his bag. Lewis, thanks for inviting me to your 30th the other day, by the way. It's really great fun. So the plan today is essentially to clean inside and out. Adman's going to have a look at a slight mechanical issue that we had, but it's nothing, it's fine, you can barely hear it, it's fine. Let's crack on.
That's just muck.
The car's filthy. So dirty.
That is true. So we've worked through the back of the car. We're working our way through, starting to hoover things through. Quite handy the seats fold flat, so we've been able to fix them through that. The banging to my left is Adam, who is trying to work out why the driver's window doesn't work, which is obviously behind Lewis. So to find out, he's taken the passenger window off to look at that first. We've also been having a bit of a play with belts, so I'll show you that in a bit as well. But otherwise, so far so good. Are you regretting your decision yet?
Never.
It's broken. Sees motor, so we need to go and get a window motor at some point, but we haven't got the budget. It's probably the same thing we're going to see about the sunroof as well. It's broken.
It's broken.
However, the belt is done. So we knew that the belt was loose. It's actually really clean under here in the sense of the engine and being dry, but and a new alternator. But there was a lot of slack in this belt, so you could twist it pretty much all the way around. So Adam has done that for us. Apparently it was a case of literally 3 bolts, so that's quite nice. Top one, the bottom one down there, and then another one behind it. So that was nice and simple. We're desperately low on power steering fluid. We think that's what's making the little vibrations, so we need to sort that out as well. Other than that, we're good to go. 3 guys, 1 Vex. I mean, it's chalk and cheese.
It's insane.
It's like a new car.
Yeah. Lovely colour.
Yeah, that's grim. That is grim. Nice. Around the back of the car, Lewis has been very busy Oh, it's like a new car. It's changed colour, that's for sure.
It's a pretty clean footwell. That's it, mate. We're done.
Why do Toyotas beep all the time? Here we see the wild Lewis swirling the swirly thing. I'm a technical person when I film. Now, if the dealer had put that photo online,
Next time on Automotive Tales.